Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to show you what's the difference between a double equal operator and triple equal operator. So suppose we have these variables. One is of type number and one is of type object string. You can see this by the capital S, and then we have a lower k string, which is basically just a primitive type string. So none of these types are the same, but they all have the same value, which is 0. So if we use the double equal operator, let's see what happens. When we compare them, they're the same, because double equal operator only compares the value of that variable but not the type. It's called loosey comparison. However, if I add, for example, another equal sign, so we have 3 of them, so this is a triple equal operator, save and run, we can see that all return false, and that is because they're not of the same type. Type number is not the same as object string or primitive type string. This is not the same. Not even string and object are the same, even though they're both string put in quotes. So first, the triple equal operator compares the type. If it's not the same, it returns false immediately, regardless if it's of the same value. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.